Why shouldn't R290 be replaced with R404A in a freezer or refrigerator? Let's look at the main aspects to consider. 1. Difference in volumetric capacity. The main difference between R290 and R404A is their volumetric capacity. R290 has nearly double the cooling capacity compared to R404A, meaning compressors are completely differently designed for each gas. 2. Since R290 has a higher volumetric capacity, compressors using it require less refrigerant to achieve the same cooling power. However, if R290 is replaced with R404A, the compressor displacement will be insufficient to handle the new gas, reducing the cooling capacity by up to 50%. 3. Operating power consumption. When using R404A in equipment designed for R290, power consumption will be lower, but as mentioned earlier, with significantly reduced cooling capacity. 4. In the evaporator, since the density of R404A is different from that of R290, for the same compressor displacement, the mass flow rates will be different. 5. Difference in mass flow and capillary tube. Since the mass flow with R290 is lower than with R404A, the capillary tube size will be different for each refrigerant. If the capillary is not adjusted, the system will not function properly, as normal low and high pressures will not be reached. 6. Oil compatibility. R290 can work with several types of oil, while R404A strictly requires POE, polyester, oil. If the gas is changed without replacing the oil, this can damage the compressor and affect the system's operation. 7. On-screen, the working pressures for both refrigerants at a temperature of -10 degrees Celsius are displayed. 8. On-screen, the working pressures for both refrigerants at a temperature of -20 degrees Celsius are displayed.